Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Robina and I am a part-time ICT trader, having come across his YouTube channel in 2023, so started learning the 2022 mentorship, went back and forth throughout the years, and I am coming up with my own system and my own strategy. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, so Michael says the market can be timed. He says the market is algorithmic, meaning there's a code to the market. And as long as we can figure out the code, we will be profitable. And he also says that the news is just a catalyst where volatility is concerned, but the news is not what moves the market. So we do have quite a bit of news today, don't we? So I want to see and put this to the test. Let's just jump onto the screen real quick and have a look. So it's 2:30 a.m. New York time, which is 9:30 a.m. Zim time, and today is 12th December 2023. We are going to focus a lot on price action. Let us look at our screen and I'll show you the levels that I marked, why I'm looking at those levels, why I'm waiting for price to do what I am hoping it will do, and where I am going to consider taking my entries. Okay, so this here that you're looking at, the candle that's painting right now, the 2:30 to 3 a.m. candle, New York time, is just after the news announcement on Forex Factory. In fact, let me just jump onto Forex Factory and then I'll show you what I mean. So the news that is just painted right now is this 2 a.m. candle, and these are the results, and the reaction to that news brought the 2 to 3 a.m. candle down into discount, and right now it looks like it's just ranging between it. The candle hasn't closed yet. We still have just under 30 minutes for the candle to close. So when this candle painted, as you know, with my strategy, I don't really look at the news. What I want to do is focus a lot on price action. So when I saw this happen, what I did is I marked, as usual, on my line chart, my buy side, which is Monday high buy side, and my Monday low sell side. And I also marked my Friday high buy side and my Friday low sell side. And I noticed that Monday's candle painted and closed above Friday high buy side. And as a result, I'm looking to buy the market today. So since I'm looking to buy the market today, I drew out my fib and then I looked at price action below the 0.5 level, also below the 12 midnight open candle, because we buy below open and we sell above open. So since price, I am anticipating a bullish day today. I'm expecting price to come into the discount range. It did come and it tapped it here on the news announcement, but we still have this BC here, and we also have this potential BC there. So I put in my limit order, buy limit order, just below the 0.5 of our first BC, and it encompasses the 0.5 level below it of the second BC if price wants to come lower and trade here. And then I put my stop loss just below yesterday's low, the wick of it, or just below yesterday's low, which is right here if you look at the line chart. So my stop loss would be just below it. If price wants to come and wick it, like wick below yesterday low, it will probably take me out. I won't enter again. If it doesn't and it wants to come and respect the low, the body of it, then it means it will leave me in the trade and hopefully I'll ride up with it. How high it will go, I do not know, but I'll only look at potential take profit areas once I am in the trade and once I know that I am within it and I don't have a chance of being taken out. Then I'll start focusing on the take profit. But for now, this is what we're looking at where price action is concerned. Again, this is me testing the theory that the news is just a catalyst for movement or for volatility of price, and the news does not move price. It just adds to the direction of price. So let's wait and see. I'll be back after 5. I'll be back maybe during the New York Open, which is 7 to 9 a.m. the Q zone, that is. and then I'll show you if we have been tagged in and stopped out, or if we have been tagged in and are in profit, or if the market has left us and we'll be trying again tomorrow. Okay, until a bit later, guys. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it is just before 1 in the afternoon in Zim where I am, and it is just before 6:30 a.m. in New York. And as you can see, we were tagged in by this candle, I think the 3 to 4 a.m. candle, and the 4 to 5 a.m. candle almost stopped us out. So maybe I can just move this in like that. Almost stopped us out right here. We're just a few pips away from being stopped out, but nevertheless, price then took off. I think let's just put this back where it was so that it doesn't get in the way. Price then took off, closed above this bearish candle. It literally closed above it, the body of it, so hoping that price will continue higher. Also, if you look at the line chart, this body candle here, the 3 to 4 a.m. candle, didn't close below yesterday's sell side, so hoping again that price won't come back to take this low and will still be in profit. All right, so there's more news coming up later. You remember last time I was saying there's something wrong with the connection. I think my Wi-Fi has started its challenges, so I'll be logged in and out, and I apologize for that in advance. I really don't have much of a choice. I'm going to learn how to connect IV cam to the USB cable so that it doesn't take from Wi-Fi. For now, my phone is refusing to follow the instructions that are being provided on YouTube on how to do it. So unfortunately, as long as Wi-Fi is going to play up, I'll be disconnected, then reconnected. So I apologize for that. So anyways, looking back at the screen, this candle painting now is the 6 to 7 a.m. candle. We've got about the 35 minutes just shy off for it to close. It will be interesting to see if it will actually close this small gap here, this small BC, and continue up. As you can see, price has not traded above Monday high buy side yet. It hasn't traded below Monday low sell side either, and it's kind of like ranging inside. What I'm hoping for though is that it continues up, since Monday's price action traded and closed above Friday high buy side. Okay, so I did say there was news coming up later, didn't I? Here at 8:30 there's CPI, so it would be interesting to see how the market is going to react to the CPI news. For now, I'm just going to leave the trade as it is. I will leave it running. I will leave the stop loss where it is. I haven't put in TP yet. I'll put in TP after the CPI news announcement. That's if price has not come down to take me out. So yeah, let me go get back to work, and then I'll be back again soon. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so the candle painting right now is the 11 to 12 a.m. candle, New York time, and here it is almost 6 p.m. in Zim where I am. So clearly I am done work-wise, and I'm heading home now. So I just want to review the day so far. The market hasn't closed. It will close later, obviously at 12 midnight. So it's going to paint again into the evening. We've got news again at 2 p.m. So let's just review it quickly and see what price did. And if you notice, our entry was based on price Monday closing above Friday high buy side. This is why we were long, and moved our stop loss to break even. So we would have been stopped out for break even. We wouldn't have made any money today. And then if you look at this price today so far has closed below Monday low sell side. So let's remove Friday's range. We have closed below Monday low sell side. So I want to see how the following hours are going to paint, and maybe we'll come in tomorrow and decide whether we are buying or we are selling. And if you look at this spike that spiked up here during the news, it went and created relative equal highs over here with this one, the Thursday price action into this order block here. So I want to look at it from the line chart, and I want to mark this across so you can see it, because remember with the line chart, we're supposed to be looking at the bodies of the candles, because the wicks are the ones that do damage. So if you're looking at this from the line chart, though this wicked up and created relative equal highs with this high here, if you look at the bodies, can you see what it did? Right? This is the candle that I'm looking at, the 8 to 9 a.m. candle, which is here, 8 to 9 a.m. candle. This is the one that wicked up. If you can tell, if you look at both screens, same time frame, it wicked up to this level here, the wick, but look at the body of the candle. So it's possible that we could be continuing lower tomorrow, but we don't know. We wait for price action. And this price leg here, as in today's delivery to sell side, it needs to create a CB or an area of entry, possible entry for tomorrow's price action, our trade during our morning session. So that's it for today, guys. I have to go. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, liking, and hitting that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And also remember that this is purely for entertainment, and none of the information here should be used as any trading, financial, or investment advice. As well, I want you to know that I will never engage in direct messaging you. So if anybody using my information approaches you, please block them. They are probably trying to scam you. All communities I run will be linked to this YouTube channel, including my email address, so feel free to use it if you need to. Okay, so we will look at price again tomorrow. We'll compare it with the news as we did today. If you want to comment maybe as to why you think the news painted price the way it did, why it respected the high that was created a few days ago, where it wicked to the high and now it looks like it's going lower. What caused that? Could it be the algorithm, as ICT always says? Is this the code that went up to the order block that I just showed you, or is it buying and selling pressure? So tomorrow we're coming again, we're having a look at it, and then we are going to do our analysis based on ICT, because I trade ICT concepts. The news is just there for me to show you where the catalyst and volatility is concerned, but the news doesn't move the market. The algorithm does. So great, until tomorrow, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.